Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at 11B Autos. We have a 1927 Franklin 11A Boattail Roadster with a rumble seat. I have never seen one of these. Pretty fantastic. This car is air cooled. Look at the lavender lenses up front. Man, this car is way ahead of its time. Finished in tobacco with cream. Brand new top, oak runners, 4-spoke wood wheel, and just beautiful. Added seat belts for 2. Very cool beveled rearview mirror. Super neat. Lots of books and documentation that come with this car. Full ownership history. Look at that. It's the fuel tank. Level gauge. Steel spoke wheels. Pretty neat. Gorgeous canvas top. We also have brand new side curtains here. Go with it. I don't think they've ever been on the car. Probably other than just fitting it. Man, so beautiful. It's hard to believe this is 1927. Look how the rearview mirror is adjustable up and down. Pneumatic wiper. That's the lights. That's the brights. Pretty cool. Alternator showing 22,881 miles. I believe that's true. Has a really neat light that extends out of the dash. Pretty cool. Let's do a video of it running too. Currently the gas tank is empty. But Andy's mechanic that takes care of all these cars, he hooked up an external tank and it's fired right up. It idles beautifully. You can barely hear it running. So neat. Creates a Venturi, I guess. And look at the big fan that runs it. It's down there. Cool, lavender lights too. That's how it was. So interesting. Big hydraulic brakes. Look how big they are. It's a very cool suspension system too. These guys were just so ahead of their time. This is all brand new too. Glass window. Very cool how it's held down by these leather straps. The brass and the chrome. Super neat. Car is in incredible shape for its year. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from 11B Autos. Check out our website, 11bautos.com. I took about 300 photos with this car. It's magnificent. 631-339-0399. Thanks.